Okay, hello. I got a dumpling. It just cost for $100. I was just America and I just get this out of my bag and I don't need this. And this is my weirdest one. But don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't also comment if I lucky. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Yo! Yo! Good bro. Nah. I was that lucky.
Pregnant to.
Okay.
Pregnancy,
Bye-bye.
pregnant. Kulang ka
If you like
letter.
it, subscribe.
G.
I can subscribe or you'll be
Kulang to,
eaten
oh.
alive.
To.
Bye. That was epic.
Kulang din right mo to. To, kulang to.
And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mr. Charger.
Alright, Nadia.
Bye-bye.